and forever. Drums beating louder. Champions. Woo! Ta-na-na-na. Hey, ta-na-na-na. Chuk, 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 chuk. 22 years we waited. Now the whole world celebrating. Red and white elevated. Oh, I see now finally made it. From London down to Lagos, everybody scream, vamos! Champions League final. Now the whole squad feel untouchable. We dey pop champagne tonight. Arteta bring the fire lights. Bukayo Saka shining bright. Arsenal back to life. Emirates loud like thunder. Old City dance to morning. After all the pain and pressure, now na joy we dey pour like water. Rice control the midfield proper. Martin Odegaard magic maker. Saliba want no striker fit enter. Gabriel fight like warrior soldier. Kai Havertz step up in big games. Martinelli fire no be small flame. Trossard ice cold under pressure. Now the whole world know the Gunners. We no sleep, we kept believing. Every season people teasing, but now the trophy in the building. Tell the doubters keep watching. Drums, fire, victory songs in the air. Hands high everywhere. North London spirit alive. From the streets to worldwide, everybody sing tonight. Arsenal till we die. 22 years we waited. Now the whole world celebrating. Red and white elevated. Oh, Arsenal finally made it. From London down to Lagos, everybody scream, vamos! Champions League final. Now the whole squad feel untouchable. We dey pop champagne tonight. Arteta bring the fire light. Bukayo Saka shining bright. Arsenal back to life. Big respect, Michael Arteta. You turn dream into forever. From the dark days to the pressure, now you build a team of legends. Saka dancing with the glory. Declan Rice controlling story. Timber strong and they